Good morning to my dear children. Welcome back to Maths online class. So in the previous class we started the chapter Money. Let us continue our class. So percentage in profit and loss. Okay, percentage in profit and loss. So what is profit and what is loss? Already you know. So now we have to know the percent. What is percentage? So profit or loss usually expressed in percentage. To calculate the profit or loss per cent, we use the following formulas. So percent means 100, per cent means 100, cent means 100, cent means what Nana? 100. So how we calculate the profit and loss in percentage means using these formulas. Using these two formulas, profit and loss. Percent అంటే ఏంటన్నా 100 అనమాట. ఓకే, సో ప్రాఫిట్ని లాస్ట్ని మనం ఇప్పుడు ఎందులో చూపించాలి? పర్సంటేజ్లో. ఓకే, ప్రాఫిట్ పర్సెంట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు ప్రాఫిట్ బై కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ ఇంటూ 100. దిస్ ఈజ్ ప్రాఫిట్ ఫార్ములా. నెక్స్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు షో ద లాస్ ఇన్ పర్సెంటేజ్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫార్ములా? Loss percent is equal to loss by cost price into 100. So these are the two formulas. We use percent. Profit percent is equal to the formula for profit and percent is equal to profit by cost price into 100. Okay, profit by cost price into 100. Next, loss. Coming to loss, percent is equal to loss by cost price into 100. లాస్ ని మనం పర్సెంటేజ్లో చూపించాలంటే ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? పర్సెంట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు లాస్ బై కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ ఇంటూ 100. ప్రాఫిట్ పర్సెంట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు ప్రాఫిట్ బై కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ ఇంటూ 100. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఫార్ములా టు షో ద ప్రాఫిట్ ఇన్ పర్సెంట్ అండ్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద లాస్ ఫార్ములా టు షో ద లాస్ ఇన్ పర్సెంట్. ఓకే, profit is equal to percent is equal to profit by cost price into 100. And coming to loss, percent is equal to loss by cost price into 100. So these are the two formulas to show the profit and loss to show in percentage. Now see the model 1 Nana. So the cost price of a game CD is rupees 500. It is sold for rupees 550 rupees. Find the profit percent. So here we have to find out the profit percent. Profit యొక్క percentage ఏంటో మనం calculate చేయాలి. So what is the cost price of the game CD? 500 rupees. And the selling price of the game CD is equal to 550 rupees. Okay. Now do the calculation. Selling price of the CD is equal to how many rupees? Rupees 550. Next, cost price of the CD. Cost price of the CD is equal to how many rupees? 500 rupees. Now do the subtraction. 0, 5, 50 rupees. So profit is equal to how much Nana? Profit is equal to 50 rupees. So what is the formula for profit? Profit percent is equal to profit percent is equal to profit by cost price into Profit by cost price into 100. Okay now. So what is the profit here? How many rupees? 50 rupees. 50 by cost price of the seed is equal to 500. 500 into 100. Profit is equal to 50 rupees by cost price is equal to 500 rupees into 100. Okay, profit by cost price into 100. So these two zeros, 0, 2 zeros. Okay, now 5 ones are 5 tens are. So what is the percentage here? 10%. So profit percent is equal to 10%. Okay. So here first selling price of the CD is equal to 550 rupees. Cost price of the CD is equal to 500 rupees. So here profit or loss? Profit. Then profit vachindi. So what is the formula for profit percent? Profit percent is equal to profit by cost price into 100. Okay. So 50 by 500 into 100. 50 means profit. 500 means cost price of the CD. 50 by 500 into 100. So cancel these two zeros. Here two zeros. 5 ones are 5 tens are. Total how much percent? 10%. Okay. See the table, Nana. See this table. Cost price, selling price, they give already. So we have to find out profit or loss and how much profit percent. Okay. They gave cost price and selling price. We have to find out that one is profit or loss. Giving that information that one is profit or loss, and also we have to write the percent, profit percent and loss percent. So first one, what is the first one? First one is equal to cost price. Cost price is equal to how much rupees? Rupees 400. Okay, next. Selling price is equal to how much rupees? Selling price is equal to rupees 425. Okay, what is the cost price? 400 and selling price is equal to 425 rupees. So here profit or loss? Very good, profit. Okay, now do the minus cost price. Sorry, selling price is equal to rupees 425. Next, cost price is equal to rupees 400. Okay, now do the minus. 5, 2, 0. How much rupees? 25 rupees. So profit is equal to how much rupees, Nana? 25 rupees. So here we have to find out the profit percent. Profit. Here we have to find out the profit percent. Okay. So profit is equal to 25 rupees. So profit percent is equal to profit by, what is the formula? Profit by cost price into 100. Profit by cost price into 100. So how much rupees of profit? 25 rupees. 25 by cost price is equal to how much? 400. 25 by 400 into 100. Profit is equal to 25 rupees. Cost price is equal to 400 rupees into 100. So cancel these two zeros. Like this you have to cancel them. See, this is in product into. So we have to cancel these two zeros. Two zeros. Okay. 4 ones are 4. In 4 table 25 is there? 4 table 25 is there? No, not there. So now what we have to do? Do the division. Okay, do the division. 4 divided by 25. 4 6 are 24. Okay. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Okay. Point. Here point means we are adding 0. Here point పెట్టుకుంటే 0 add చేసుకోవచ్చు. 4 2s are 8. Again put the 0. 4 5s are 20. Okay na? 4 6 are 24. Only 1 is there. మనకి ఇక్కడ పర్సంటేజ్లో క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ పెట్టుకుంటే 0ని యాడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. So put the point here and add 0 here. 4 2s are 8. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. Again add the 0. 4 5s are 20. Remainder 0. So what is the percentage? Profit percent is equal to 6.25%. Okay, profit percent is equal to 6.25. So write in your textbook, in that box you have to write first to profit or loss box. So here say that Nana, in this profit or loss box you have to write the profit, and here percentage profit or loss percentage is there, no? So in that one profit percent is equal to 6.25. Write down profit percent is equal to 6.25. This one you have to write in your textbook. Okay. Profit or loss box, first one write the profit. Here profit percent is equal to 6.25. Write down here. Second one is equal to cost price is equal to 550 rupees. Next, selling price is equal to 605 rupees. Cost price is equal to 550 rupees. Selling price is equal to 605 rupees. Here profit or loss, tell me. Yes, profit. So what is the profit percent formula? Profit percent is equal to profit by cost price into 100. Okay now, profit by cost price into 100. So how much rupees of profit? Do the calculation. Selling price is equal to 605. Cost price is equal to 550 rupees. Okay, 5 borrowing 10 minus 5 55 rupees. So profit is 55 by cost price is equal to 550 rupees into 100. Okay na? So cancel 0 0 55 55 ones are 55 ones are 1 into 10 is equal to 10. So profit percent is equal to 10%. Okay na? So in second box also write the profit or loss box, write the profit, and last profit or loss percent write the 10%. Okay na? Third one, selling price is equal to 752 rupees. Cost price is equal to 800 rupees. Okay, cost price is equal to 800 rupees. Selling price is equal to 750 rupees. So your profit or loss, cost price is 800, selling price is 752. So they get the loss. So loss formula. What is the loss percent formula? Loss percent is equal to loss by cost price into 100. Loss by cost price into 100. How much rupees of loss? 800 minus 752 rupees. Take the borrowing. 10, 9, 7. 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 5, 4. 7 minus 7, 0. How much rupees of loss? 48 rupees. So, loss percent by loss 48 rupees by cost price is equal to 800 rupees. 800 into 100. Okay now. Cancel 2 zeros. Here 2 zeros and here 2 zeros. So cancel these 2 zeros. So in a table 48 is there. 8 6 are 48. So loss percent is equal to how much rupees? 6%. Loss percent is equal to how much percent, Nana? 6%. Okay now. So in third one, profit or loss box, write the loss, and profit or loss percent, write this percent. 6%. Okay now? 6%. Next, fourth one. What is the next one? Cost price is equal to 350 rupees. Selling price is equal to, what is the selling price? 308 rupees. So here profit or loss, Nana? Cost price is equal to 350 rupees. Selling price is equal to 308 rupees. They get the profit or loss? Loss. So what is the formula for loss percent? Loss percent is equal to loss by cost price into 100. Loss by cost price into 100. So how much rupees of loss? 350 minus 308. Take the borrowing. 10, 5 becomes 4. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. 4 minus 0, 4. 3 minus 3, 0. So how much rupees of loss? 42 rupees. Okay, how much rupees of loss? 42 rupees. So loss percent is equal to loss by 42 by cost price. How much rupees of cost price? 350 rupees into 100. 42 by 350 into 100. Cancel this 0. Okay now. Cancel these 2 zeros. 42 by 35. 42 by 35. So in which table 42 and 35 is there? Which table 42 and 35 is there? 5 2s are 5 7s are. Okay now 5 2s are 5 7s are. Next inside table 7 6 are 42. 6 into 2 is equal to how much? 6 into 2 is equal to 12%. Okay now. 5 2s are 10 Nana. 5 7s are 35. Okay now. Cancellation over. Next here 42 is there. 7 6 are 42. 6 into 2 is equal to 12%. So loss percent is equal to how much? Loss percent is equal to 12%. So in that box write the 12%. So remaining 5, 6, 7, 8, these 4 you do the homework in your textbook only. Write like this profit or profit, and if in case loss, write the profit or loss. Next here write the percent, profit percent, and write the loss percent. Okay. Now turn the page number 112. Solve problems. First one. The cost price of a locally made camera is rupees 1120. It is sold for rupees 1064. Find the loss percent. So what is the cost price of camera? 1120 rupees. And the selling price of camera is equal to 1064 rupees. Now we have to find out the loss percent. Cost price of camera is equal to cost price of Cost price of camera is equal to rupees 1120 rupees. Next, selling price of camera is equal to rupees 1064 rupees. So find the loss percent. Already they gave, find the loss percent. So first we have to find out the loss, how much rupees of loss. Okay, here do the minus 10, 1, 10 minus 4, 6. Okay now, again take the barring 11, 11 minus 6 is equal to how much rupees? 11 minus 6 is equal to 5. 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. So how much rupees? 56 rupees of loss. So what is the formula for loss percent? Loss percent is equal to loss by cost price into 100. Loss by cost price into 100. How much rupees of loss? 56 rupees. By how much rupees of cost price? Cost price of camera is equal to 1120 rupees into 100. Okay na? And now cancel 2 zeros. Okay na? 56 ones are 56, 2s are 112. 56 2s are 112. Okay na? Now 2 5s are. Here 10 is there, no? 2 5s are 10. So last percent is equal to 5%. Okay na? Last percent is equal to 5%. See once again, so the cost price of a camera is equal to 1120 rupees and the selling price of camera is equal to 1064 rupees. So we have to find out the loss percent. Okay now, loss percent find out cheyamanu. First we have to calculate the how much rupees of loss. Enta loss vachindi mana find out cheyali kada. So cost price of camera minus selling price of camera. 1120 minus 1064 rupees. So how much rupees of loss we get? 56 rupees of loss. So next, what is the loss percentage formula? Loss percent equal to loss by cost price into 100. Loss by cost price into 100. So loss means how much rupees of loss? Here this is the loss. How much rupees of loss? 56 rupees. By cost price is equal to 1120 rupees into 100. So cancel 0 0. 56 ones are 56 twos are 112. Okay, 2 ones are 2 5s are. So last percent is equal to 5%. Next see the third problem, Nana. The cost price of a pressure cooker is rupees 2500. A dealer should sell the cooker for rupees 2750 rupees. So find the profit percent. So what is the cost of the pressure cooker? 2500 rupees. So next, cost of the selling price is equal to how much rupees, Nana? 2750 rupees. So we have to find out the profit percent. Okay now, how much rupees of the profit and then calculate the profit percent. Okay, now see. So selling price of cooker is equal to how much rupees? 2750 rupees. Cost price of pressure cooker is equal to 2500 rupees. Cost price of pressure cooker is equal to 2500 rupees. Okay, so here they get the profit or loss? Profit. Already they gave. We have to find out the profit percent. So how much rupees of profit? First check 2750 rupees minus 2500 rupees. Do the subtraction. Okay now, selling price minus cost price. 5, 7 minus 5, 2, 2 minus 2, 0. So how much rupees of profit? 250 rupees. 250 rupees. So what is the formula for profit percent? What is the formula for profit percent? First write the profit is equal to how much rupees? 250 rupees. Now write down the profit percent formula. Profit percent is equal to profit by cost price into 100. How much rupees of profit? Profit is equal to 250 rupees by cost price is equal to how much rupees? 2500 rupees into 100. Okay. Zeros, 2 zeros cancel. 0, 0, here 2 zeros cancellation. Okay now. Next. 250 by 25. 25 ones are 25. 10s are is equal to 250 rupees. So profit percent is equal to 10%. What is the profit percent? 10%. Did you understand? So selling price of the cooker is equal to 2750 rupees. Cost price of the pressure cooker is equal to 2500 rupees. So we have to find out the profit percent. So how much rupees of profit? First we have to find out the profit, no? So how much rupees of the profit? 250 rupees they get the profit. So what is the formula for profit percent? Profit percent is equal to profit by cost price into 100. Profit percent is equal to profit by cost price into 100. So profit is equal to 250 rupees by cost price is equal to 2500 rupees by 2500 into 100. So first cancel here 2 zeros, here also 2 zeros. Cancel these 2 zeros. Okay, next 25 ones are 25 tens are 10. 250 rupees. Okay now. So what is the percentage here? 10%. So profit percent is equal to 10%.